Good morning. How are you today? Are you ready for our interview?
Good morning. First of all, thank you so much for inviting me to this interview.
Okay, then could you please tell me about yourself?
My name is Felicia Noor Sheilawaty Putri. I graduated with a degree in accounting from Inaba University. For the past 2 years, I worked as a general administrative staff, and now I'm looking to transition back into my core field of study.
What made you want to apply for this company?
I applied because this role perfectly matched my goal to build a professional career in accounting. Additionally, I highly admire this company reputation and stable growth, making it ideal place for me to develop my skills.
What would you say are your key strengths and areas you're still working to improve?
My key strengths are strong attention to detail and analytical thinking when working with numbers. As for improvement, I am currently brushing up on the latest regulation text and accounting software to ensure my technical knowledge is completely up to date.
Could you share your experience related to this field?
During my time in administration, I regularly handle bookkeeping tasks. This include managing petty cash, processing vendor invoices, and reconciling monthly expense reports, which kept my practical accounting skills sharp.
What the reason behind your decision to leave your current job?
While I learned a lot about office coordination, my previous administration role limited how much I could work with actual financial systems, so I decided to leave to find a position where I can focus entirely on accounting.
What have you been focusing on since leaving your last position?
I have been focusing on self improvement. I am currently completing an online certification in financial reporting standards and practicing practical accounting tools like Excel and Mayop.
How do you think you could add value to this company?
I offer a combination of accounting knowledge or strong organizational skills. My administrative background means I am highly organized and adaptable, allowing to manage this company financial data efficiently without steep learning curve.